Hey people, just dropping there at the Goldilocks store, selling cakes because I have to buy cakes for my niece's birthday, 12th birthday, and there's a lot of choices for you to buy. They have ensaymada, they have sliced cakes, they have puto, they have dinuguan, and they have this brownies, and they have this pie, they have that. Look, that's egg pie, and they have different sweets for you to buy in Goldilocks here in our town. And they have also different flavors of ensaymada. And I choose rainbow cake because I like it. And it's very beautiful to look at. And I just show you my nails. It's all done and clean. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless.